Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get started or how to create your account on Kling AI image and video maker applications. It's really simple. First of all, you need to install it in your device, then simply tap on the open button. Then you need to accept the terms and conditions. I'm just going to allow it. And monthly trial package, so it's credit based. So I'm just going to show you in free mode. Sign in for free credit, so you need to sign in, or you can say it's a create your account, the same. So it's you can create your account in two ways: login with Google, login with email. So easy way, login with Google. So make sure that this email or Gmail ID logged in your Gmail app. So I'm just going to tap on the login with Google. So it's still simple. Monthly packs claim. So let's see how much credit they give if you create your account. So MySpace, and here you can see 166. It's your credit, bonus credit 166. So it's and if you want to buy 30 credits, you need to pay $7. So 166. I don't know how much videos you can create for this. We will try it later. So this way you can create your account and get the bonus.